Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I'm pretty sure this is what he's wanting, but I started thinking I contoured this. Why don't we just fill that in with that gray and take away the outline and bevel that? That might be the look he wants. Two different looks. But let's make it, the video was so short, I just thought I'm going to do it another way too. Let's go to effects and contour. We're going to contour to the inside 0.15. And then this is total off the chart type deal, but you could try it. Nudge that up, new contour out of the way, and we're just going to fill that in. And you notice before I did it with the Smart Fill tool, because it's an object, you can do it with just the fill. Now we're going to bevel this 0.15, and we're going to bevel this 0.15, and then nudge it up, and you get a total different look. Now there's a white line there, and I've yet to figure out how to get rid of that white line. The only way that I could think of is we could make the light line a gray. See what it is, it's now that I'm making the white line go away, I'm getting a dark line because I'm making the line, I don't think there's any way around that because it's got a line of the shadow. Let's take the yellow box trick. See, it's just basically the shadow effect leaving that one line. I don't think, there's another way around that. We could hold down the shift key so it would go from the inside and then place it on top. But your white line's still going to be there. And now I've actually messed something up terribly. One thing that might not be a bad look would be to take one of them and rotate it 45 degrees. I'm glad I did that. That is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.